All right, guys, stocks are running. We have NVDA going up. We also have Broadcom going up. And remember, these stocks have heavier weightings, with the AI semiconductor names. And remember, Broadcom has earnings Thursday after market close. They just hit all-time highs, guys. What a comeback. When this sold off hard not too long ago, and now we're back at all-time highs. Crazy. So does this mark the top after this earnings? That's what we need to see. Obviously, if they miss, that's not going to be good, but I anticipate them having a good report. Now, if they have a good report, a beat and raise, and the stock still sells off, then that could mark the top like we've seen after past earnings, okay, a short-term top. But either way, that would be the opportunity to get in on a dip if there is one, because this is what's happening, guys. People are seeing the big picture with the AI movement. There are a lot of sectors that are going to benefit. Remember, you can't get caught up with the fears. I know there's a lot of things like unemployment, right? There's, the bond market, tariffs, right? The list can go on, but just remember, in the end, AI helps companies have better financials. And remember, what moves markets in the end is a company's fundamentals and earnings. And again, I'll say it again. Artificial intelligence helps reduce labor costs, helps the bottom line with companies' earnings per share. And that's what shareholders want to see. Obviously, profitable companies at some point, right, over time. That's why we invest in them. And obviously want to see revenue growth, which that helps AI, increases productivity, aka revenue growth. So that's why we're seeing a sea change here, guys, a once in a lifetime boom that's taking place. And so never lose sight of that big picture. Of course, there'll be periods of time where there's, sell-offs, there's, profit taking, but the dips will get bought with time, guys. And remember, I've always said investors come back to where the growth is, and that is where the AI story.